Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Will first introduce my name is Siti Azahra from class AK21F. Here I will explain a little about Texas where the presentation of material analysis of text subject we have qualified as text fire. First, what is a text? Texts are people that to the state structure based on the law so that they can be imposed by not getting direct refinement. For the text function itself is 1. A receiving function. What is a receiving function? Texture serve as a source of fund intended for financing government uh, expenditure, expenditures. 2. Function set. What what is this function set? Texture serve as a tool for regulating or implementing policies in the social and economic sphere. 3. Stability function. This function relates to policies to maintain price stability so that the rate of inflation can be controlled. 4. For redistribution function. In this function, more emphasis is placed on the elements of equality and justice in society. This function can be seen from the presence of a layer of tariff in the imposition of taxes. 5. Function of democracy. Taxes in the function of democracy are a form of mutual and system. Then there are also type, type, types of taxes. Other 1. Income taxes. Tax. What income tax? Income tax is a tax imposed on an individual or entity on income received or earned in a tax year. 2. Value added tax or VPN. VAT is VAT or value added tax is a tax imposed on the consumption of taxable goods or taxable service within the custom area. Individuals, company, or government who consume taxable goods or taxable service are subject to value-added tax. 3. Sales tax on luxury goods or VPNBM. In addition to being subject to value-added tax, certain taxable goods that are classified as luxury are also subject to PPNBM. What is mean by taxable goods that are classified as luxury is 1. They are not basic necessities, or 2. The goods are concerned by center people, or 3. In general, these goods are consumed by high income people, or 4. The goods are consumed the show status, or 5. In consumed in can damage people health and morals and disturb public public order. 5. Stamp, stamp duty. Stamp duty. Stamp duty is a tax imposed on documents such as a letter of agreement, notarial deeds, a will, a payment receipt, receipts, securities, and which contain an amount of money or nominal above a certain amount in accordance with the provision. 5. Land, uh, land, land and building tax or PBB. PBB is a tax imposed on the ownership or utilization of land or buildings. The subjects are the tax subject are the tax the tax subject are where the subject of this tax is individual taxpayer, corporate tax here means business entity, and then BUT subject. Tax tax subject are those who have subject obligation or against whom taxes will be collected. There is legal protection for taxpayer which legal for legal protection of taxpayer. The legal protection of the taxpayer here means the right to obtain legal certainty that can guarantee legal protection for taxpayer. In addition, in terms of legal protection also needs to be considered to taxpayers so that they can guarantee legal certainty for the right right of taxpayer. In ed, in addition to the law of protection for taxpayer, there are also rights and obligations of taxpayer, namely 1. The right to an examination. 2. The right to object. 3. The right to overpayment of taxes. 4. Right to installation. 5. Right of confidentiality. 6. The right of reduction of the earned. 7. Right to tax exemption. Thank you. Done. Thank you.